I auri aura haperdi gi ajai bru wakentup e karbi bagi penar hablok wan. Dajia ide langer hewa kani kenti kat kam ke YouTube otikna. Ini I auri demi hadien walek bor ki karbi ha iwi hali hachno mo jam. Doong wana chwa jo emi pan bor ki karbi wa rep utung utem. Haki tau ki penar na dok na chwa tang wa ha uni usnem dem ki kat tu kat ningot ki jaj bru karbi. Ki wada pan tau wa rep sorot. Tang wa hadien wa chak kentai ki nei liang gini ki bru karbi dewan tung ye bor ki yo soro ha ini tau. Wat hadien wa chak kentai ki. Ya ini tau datip kami ya muk so piang. Wa ha apok ke chnong mo jam. Komuman ko wina ki chnong wa he do apok ke blok wan. Hadien ini wan tung ye bor ya soro. Haga kasantrik dem ki bru ki wan put ya ki tre soro. Wa inne demi I auri ha perdi gini ki arjai bru. Iwar pen bor ki bor ka aina West Jaintia Hills. Wana karbi anglong district open suk ya ki petba. Keseng KSU West Jaintia Hills District Unit le ada hier ko sa ini tau emi auri inne kesngi. Nei liang ge hek kesain no ongki wa na chwa jo e tau ki penar ki karbi o rep don hi. Tang wa hadin wan kam tre we chna yungi ya ki tau rep. Do ongki wa ne da rai wa bo trik bai wa wan ra ya ki bor aina wara ar district. Wa bun bai no ya ini kam. De wa pen rep le wa ki tre chnong ka mo jam. De em gi kot ki slawa biang. De wa kentu ya ka sorka wa pun bai no ya kam pot wa suk ki bai ba wa em hakapot.
Ni leng jong seng kasus student union president district hari mengi layo phone call pada ke city nego mau yalam sunong jong sunong mojem bagladon jingklun ni ki jaka sunong jongki dagi karbi basa cak haput sunong matade takaba mensua takun bujing itu jongki ki ong bagi ai ki tang jaka bandrep khang ba ketang ba kim debat ban kam trai jaka ndai kadang ya kipor kini ki karbi kila lek bor tak basna yeng bat kam eno sendon ye gitu jaka bagi rep te bagradon ru kicing pen ibor ngeleng jong karbi tengi banse kum keseng ngila her mta kasngi sti pasaki tela jong kikmat ban handangi poy hang tei gradon gujing kren apa deng kinong ngilam senong jong karbi nong senong jong senong mojem hendrai gujing kren kampoy sa kila rai nak kawai karai ba ini bu kawai ketarik kenapa makiru kinun yalam yang kita ki authorities jongki ki he ya han jongki mana kirang jongi ru nya hi ban yalam ye ki bor an ki bade khmi yo pol sam ba gumju khendo ko siap bade ka bor district administration jongi pani penbet yo pol sam hoj gajing sisa nya tip hi bagade kisnong ka kasong jong sinong mojam bar kila don ru kisaki sabut kila don gi kot kisla gi babiang ban pintikna bat kila tikna ru bagade sisa kejaka bahap cepo senong mojem penegari yang jongi ngikari dawa na sarkar bagade ban tuklar kloy halor gini gijing jia kaput kenang ba kanum jia kano bas ngsi hadin ada kumni nya jia nya do cia do igi men sembrio kelong ke bas ngsi bar bitar hingi kum geseng penegari yang jongi ni dawa yang ke sarkar baga don trainer marmar penbek no yo put sam kenang bakam don su kono kejing kajia kejing klun jogi karbi ye kijaka puta jogi priu jongi bisa siksinong bodar panageleng jogseng ni kwa ni ai mesin ye paradok prasam jongi basa hakeleng put sam jongane kejela jongi ba ni kum keseng nginom ino epi nginom radin nakono jingire longgar bolong jagat wajah ini ada lengkap barfi paradok prasam jongi kamtam ki basa sebodar pada kanu por ba pidan kam gilong ki bakloy perwan yirap ipi bar ngi ke paru ye ki bor ai ba kim dai than ban tieng ban lek cikput ceka sam jongi marba kelkum jingi ba pulit asam hi tieng bandrung sigi senong penar sigi ceka basa ki penar ndrei ki pulit jongi pan kiong ba kasorkar kamsha kamai bor ki bikin lek seta hendrai kikut tang hadu hamu koilum surum mu koilum kimdon su ye ka bor ban hier namar ba kasorkar kamsha nanta kara leng jungi ngiken tu kasorkar ban ai bor ki pulit jongi ru bikin lek ye boran kam bikin lek sikisnong ki thau jongi jodon hanya kaput tang ini kenten kubles bor
Let us let him know.
Alam nung bore dua lindo ko sa talang tumratan wang pek lang nay da. Nang tumar lang thai dum dum non nak senior wala maro. Cuma ciputung le.
He or she might be a wrong number. Yeah, you should know about that. So we have already talked about the matters. So no need to talk anymore.
Nang tumang pak pe right no song.
Kopi ka chini ka. I do. Alam magede. Itu.
Boy kelam jana.
Ode baba de. Boy kelam ri jong se.
কি আমাৰ একো নাই কাৰণ আপোনালোকে লগ পাই থাকে নাই মিলা হ'ব লাগে মিলাপ হ'ব লাগে
আমিতো সদায় মিলা মিলি প্ৰবলেম নাই হেনতে কিমান কাম কৰিছে আমি ডিস্টার্ব কৰা নাই
No need of all the things, no. The only things we need is the
Understanding among
documents. Documents we need.
হৈ যায়গৈ হ'ব
You listen sir one things because we come they do not know. Actually the information we got from here. We got from here, no? Then as soon as last night Mogilim outpost they called to Ganbura. Then Ganbura they said if you don't come tomorrow all the Mojam village will arrest and will finish they said. That is why we came.
মকইলম বাম্বৰ আমরা যে মকইলম কো আইছি মকইল আইছি তামা
Okay, they did know what they have.
Okay, whatever.
থানাত মাতিছিল
নহয় থানাটো মাতিছে নেলে আমি ক'ব লাগে না স্যার
ক'ব লাগে তেওঁ ভুল
ভুল আছে আইসি মানে আমি ক'ব লাগে
Alam magela son yun tum ki bakiti. Mane pu Mogilim outpost pen aku borilong.
Alam bagay si Ting Pin Piet po lola si gone is gone. Non present situation ka discuss ipan na discuss nang po.
kali mana pini alam lo pini alam lo
Para pu kubor long long lo ditum jong si Mojam marat tum wang we pulute hada sport area an pare nak tum arrest po an pare tum sob finish po dak apo so police tum se dak kam bralong iko.
oh anda
So alam Sir will tell who's that person who give us that of information. You must tell us that man and that your humka.
আন্ডারস্ট্যান্ডিং ওর খেলি মেলি
okay
Actually
মিস আন্ডারস্ট্যান্ডিং
no sir. Alam magedi. Mane actually ne tum wang we dak ho.
एक्चुअली हमारा जो
An parke ne tum akubor ilong
को थाना
Rosar, let me finish my explain. Like this. Alam hedi. An par pu kubor lelo di. An par opos pen an par dak kangbura ne tum kangbura kubor lelo. An par jong si nang tum pinap wang we las kali ne tum dak wang liha opos. An par ne tum pilo ne tum ha opos wang nangi. Pun ne tum ipu. An par hala sumunit afuni deng bang nang tum jong si dak thanat wang we pule nang tum mojam tum ekdom arrest hypo sop guli mari bo boleh kau suini ka. Begini ka kau boleh ka. Ha? Phone number. Hilang saya dulu belum lah su polis atau lembar bunyi. Kalista anpar hada control room kibahi inka kiba question kuanai control room logot kiba ami check korim. Itu number dei kamera number.
Kali tanang tumar lagi ten lewang chote melo. Alam mangge. Nang tumang pangge.
La so alam ni tum dai bang. You listen all here okay? Because we got the information from
we have already fixed the date no need to talk each other okay we have already talked
মানে আমি কৈছে
So we'll do like this. We'll do like this. Both the villages will gather in one place, and with this we will call all the leaders. So we'll discuss regarding this problem. Okay. Otherwise, we will not confirm about this problem. We will not compromise.
you do like this give us time sir you talk there we
Yes.
will discuss there
Yes.
then
before we spread each other.
But
we will
today
stop.
no need.
Yes, yes.
Today no
But
need.
to-
Okay.
Aji to na lagay sir.
We'll select a particular date. We'll select the
Information.
Yes, yes, yes.
Side. Okay, we'll do like this. Now, from both sides, village committee, you have meeting here. We people, we will stay there.
Yes, yes. Because we don't want hatred among these two villages.
We don't want anything to happen. Should not bad. We want to settle it. If you want anything, we have to settle it peacefully.
The thing is that they have did wrong. They are coming and destroying our properties. This they are not supposed to be done by them.
Yes. What have been done? There's nothing to do. We cannot do anything. So what we have to do now is for today, let both the village committee will discuss here. We will stay there. Whatever the result is, then we will be happy. ठीक है ना? गबुरा बात करो. हम लोग
And for today, we discuss only the
only gabura village committee. Yes. You do like this for today.
We will only talk
About only the
we will fix a date.
yes.
About the date.
But we
Today,
cannot conclude this matter.
let the village committee from Mokhade and
The
from
problem must be
here will have a meeting. Then they will fix the date.
And we'll discuss about this
Whoever
matter.
you will call your authority. We also will call our authority. Then we will solve everything. With proper documents. Verbally we cannot do anything. Okay. Headman. Talk.
हेडमैन बात करो बुलाएगा तो बुलाएगा नहीं बुलाएगा हमको खाली
Proper documents. There should be proper boundary. Proper border. Then only we can stop.
border is already there. They will know the
we will discuss about this matter on the border.
We will talk nicely. Let our BDO and all come, and we will settle it one and for all. We will settle it peacefully.
पीसफुली
We will settle it peacefully.
We also want to
डे
settle this matter peacefully.
रोज हम लोग को कमरा से बात कर रहे हैं डेली हर साल हम लोग को ये बात कर रहा है ना ये बात को कॉम्प्रोमाइज नहीं किया ना आप लोग भी क्या क्या बोलता है
We will talk it nicely. We will solve it nicely.
These things will know among the local people here.
Yes.
People from outside, they will not know about this situation.
Yes, we know. There is. You are living here. You know everything. What
Yes,
happened.
we have been living here since
So
80,
what
90 years.
the headman from the other village and your headman,
Yes.
along with the BDO and all who are in charge, we will solve it nicely. If there are proper documents, we'll check it. If there is not, we will search another way. We will find another solution how to solve it, so that there will be no more quarreling and no more talking about cement.
Without any information that is not here.
इमरजेंसी है ना अभी तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे खत्म किए नहीं तो फिक्स कीजिए डेट फिक्स कीजिए ना
Actually, they don't have right to enter directly without any information. They should give the information first, then only they have to come.
हम लोग
We don't get any
हिंदी बोलो असमीज बोलो इंग्लिश बोलो Cumangalam chini
Like this, since we have come, we will solve it. We will talk.
No,
to
these
the-
things cannot be solved today. We have to get with our council head. There is our CM.
Yes.
There is our KSA.
Yes.
With all this, we can solve this. Only with this villages head, we cannot solve this problem because this problem is not a small matter.
हम लोग तो ऐसा जागृति तो नहीं चाहिए नहीं शायद दोनों तो बाउंड्री है ना बीच में तो आप
Okay,
लोग
we
का
can
मिलजुल के रहना
we can
चाहिए
arrange that also. We will call our CEM. We will call our JCDC. Whoever concerned about the thing, we will
Because
solve it.
since this place is fall under the Karbi Anglong, under the Assam, so the people who are in charge in the council, they will come and they will discuss about this.
If we can do that also. We can call our CEM. We can call our
Then
authorities.
this one was not killing first.
Amar patti pheki man.